صلى الله عليه وسلم واليهودي ده حمار وكذاب ابن كلب.
The blood of Jesus Christ was shed. The blood of Jesus was shed for the remission of sin. And only the blood of Jesus can cleanse you from your sin. Nothing but the blood. God said, when I see the blood, not when I see your works, when I see the blood, I will
مستر علي بابا غير مستر دونكي كريزي الحمار كذاب.
was killed. The Jews, they were all saved because they were under the houses where the blood was, on the lintel posts and the doors of the posts. The blood was on the door. And God said, when I see the blood, I will pass over. The blood, not your works, not your pilgrimages, not your prayers, not your fastings. When I see the blood, when I see the blood, only when I see the blood.
والله عيسى ابن مريم مسلم يا بهايم يا ولاد